Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting now? Make sure your iPhone 7 Plus runs the latest iOS and you have a passcode set because Touch ID requires it. Clean the home button and remove any case or screen cover that could block the sensor. This matters for reliable reads. Once done, open Settings, tap Touch ID and passcode, enter your passcode, and choose Add a fingerprint. You're ready to place your finger on the home button and begin the registration sequence. You'll now enroll the fingerprint. Follow on-screen prompts and lightly place the pad of your finger on the home button, then lift when the animation asks. Make sure to adjust the angle each time so the sensor captures edges and the tip, because varied contact lets Touch ID match different grips. Repeat the tap and lift routine until the progress reaches completion. Once the main scan finishes, you'll scan the edges by rotating the finger. This improves finish by toggling the features you want to use with Touch ID: iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store. Test immediately. Lock the phone and unlock with the registered finger to confirm speed and consistency. If it misses, add another finger or re-register the same finger with slightly different placement. One key troubleshooting tip: if reads fail, clean the home button and your finger, then restart and re-register the fingerprint. Moisture, oils, or screen protectors often cause most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.